Congratulations, I am pleased to inform you that you have been given an offer as a so company, and your resumption date is so date. So this type of email can be very, very sweet when you come up online, log into your email one fateful day and you see this. Wow, it can be so sweet. You will be full of happiness all through that day. Yes, but for you to get to this very stage, there are certain things that you must be aware of, which is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. If you have been following this step-by-step guide, by this stage you would have known what is happening. But if you haven't gotten to this, let me give you how we got to this very stage from the very first step. Yes, it is a continuation of tutorial video, which is a test stage where I teach people how to get clients, some of the most important secrets, whether you are trying to be a freelancer, a virtual assistant, online business owner, content creator, affiliate blogger, and whatsoever, what type of job you are looking for. So I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step, just a summary guide. I'm going to be leaving the full videos in the description box of this video. We started by the different ways where you can apply, so which it is already detailed here. You check the videos, then we'll get to how you go for the interview. Then we'll look at how to reply to a particular email. There's a particular email they sent to us where I gave a breakdown on how you can reply. In that particular video, you get to see the step-by-step and the entire format to follow, so which is what I'm showing you on the screen now. You need to check that video for much more details. So you need to understand that every organization on this space, every business owner have one problem. Yes, problem of managing time. Apart from knowing that thing, that skill that they might know it, but they don't have the time to do it, so they need to pay attention to other things. This is where employing other people comes into play, whether virtual assistants or other stuff, because they cannot divide their attention on so many things. So that, because you see, the human brain don't need so much distraction, so you need other people to handle other things. That is why they are employing you, and that skill that you have is going to be what will make you get fitted. But no matter how beautiful that skill you have can be, you need to understand how to market yourself very well, and that is what I taught in this particular video series that I started. I just showed you. So check the description box, the videos are going to be there step by step. You get to appreciate the entire process of how these things work. Yes, it can be very powerful. It's a game-changing video that will really help your life if you are really serious to follow it and to implement it. So if you see value in this particular video, let me know, and then check this channel for more, and don't forget to subscribe as I continue to drop more in-depth guide that will really help you. So one thing you need to be aware of is your ability to market yourself will give you a lot of opportunity in this life. The best money on this earth surface does not really exist in whatsoever company. The best money is in your brain. The highest amount of money that you look for on this earth surface is in your brain, and this starts with your ability to be able to market yourself to whosoever you are trying to work with. See you guys in my next video. Catch you once again.